All right, so we got a Whirlpool Duet here, and we got our door not opening. Now, you might be having an issue with the washer not washing or not spinning. Chances are it's going to be your MCU. And when that happens, it sometimes will lock the door latch so it does not open. So try unplugging, plugging it back in, waiting a few minutes and see. If that doesn't work, then we need to take the lid off. 3 screws back here. Slide the top off. And we're going to reach down here. And if you see a hook or a little loop, I'll show you what to do. All right, 2 things you can do. Make a little hook, whatever you have to do. And this will help you to get to it a lot easier than trying to reach your shoulder down there, but you can still use your arm and get to it. So if your washer is on a pedestal, it's going to be a lot harder. So you'll need a ladder. And if you're looking for that loop or handle, I'll show it to you. I think I'm in it. Push down. Let's see. Get her close out. All right, so you can get your stuff out. All right, guys. I wanted to include just another portion here. That's the part number on the latch, just in the event that you need to order a switch for the Duet. And a little close-up of what you're looking at and how to get to the switch eyelet. And once you get the hook down, you basically push down. It's pretty hard to show. All right, guys. Thanks for watching.